How to use Boolean Functional. First, load your dataset. This is just a CSV file with product information and different characteristics that you want to display in your graphics. For this example, let's make this flyer for a car sale. You're going to have a type or model, the price, the color of the car, and the different characteristics, like if it's a 2-door or 4-door, if it is an economic car, if it is a family car, if it's good for off-road or built for the track. Is it a compact car or a convertible? Finally, let's sync the photo. So now you have all the data synced with the database, and you can see that the product is showing the data as you had set on your spreadsheet. Now it comes Boolean Functional magic. Select the data, change the font to Boolean Functional, and done. Your yes or no options will immediately show as checkboxes and follow the logic that you have on your data. You can automatically check or uncheck data based on the information in your dataset and generate all the flyers using the merge function. Is that easy? Enjoy!